HEAD performance, born out of revolutionizing how we ski and play tennis, HEAD has constantly pushed athletic equipment into the modern era. For all levels of play, HEAD offers nothing but the best tennis equipment on the market. Great for beginners, the HEAD Geo Speed tennis racket is an ideal choice for a wide age range of casual recreational players. The oversized 105 head creates a larger sweet spot, great for players still mastering precision. Headlight advantage: the adult tennis racket has a headlight balance, which helps reduce vibration and aids in stability when hitting the ball. Optimal power: featuring Geo Power Technology, this adult racket provides an optimized geometry of the shaft for added power and increased control. Dimensions: frame weight, 295 g/10.4 ounces, head size, 105 inches, grip size, 4.25 in, length, 27.5 inches. Top reviews from the United States. More than 5 stars. Amazing! It's comfortable and the performance is remarkable. Very good for casual players. Well done.